Stop scrolling. ChatGPT or YouTube? Which one do you prefer? YouTube's got the edge on video content. Whether it's entertainment, tutorials, or music, it's all here. Perfect for chilling out and enjoying some passive screen time. Plus the community vibes. Comments, likes, subscriptions, live chats, it's super social. But ChatGPT? Totally different beast. This AI chatbot excels in text-based interaction. Got questions? Need to draft an email? Or write some code? ChatGPT's got your back. It's task-oriented and gives you full control. You steer the conversation and get specific responses. So, why pick one when both rock? Use YouTube for videos and relax. Tap into ChatGPT for quick answers and creative content. They even complement each other. ChatGPT can summarize YouTube videos or spark ideas for new content. What about you? Are you Team YouTube or Team ChatGPT? Drop a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.